guys, this is Anthony from Anthony's Toy Box. Let's unbox more Lego Simpsons pack, but if you didn't see it last time, go check it out. Let's unbox them. If you didn't see any of my videos, subscribe to the link that says Anthony's Toy Box. Oh, come on! Fine, let me just rip it open. Now let's see. Another one of these guys. Let's open up the next pack. Yeah! I think they're all the same. Whoa. Oh, another crusty pack and last pack. What? So we got some legs, unusual. Got a different body. We got a club. I wonder who this guy is. I wonder. We got the book. Let's see who it could be. Could be the mouse guy. Let's see. Yep, sure is the mouse. This is Milhouse, Krusty, and Itchy.